Today we're going to talk about how you can fix a noise coming from the back end of a BMW. This noise is very common and it's heard on the BMW 1 Series, 2, 3, and 4 Series BMW. Year ranges of 2010 to 2019. Now the car used in this video is a 2013 BMW 320i. It's an F30. The noise heard is a very quick noise. It only happens for about a second when either making a sharp turn, sometimes driving over like a speed bump, or driving over an uneven surface like leaving your driveway. Stay tuned to the end of the video because I'm gonna show you how you can check the part that I replaced and see if it fits your vehicle. Let's get going. Okay, let's see if we can hear the noise. Hear that little noise? See if we can do it again. No, of course not. Every now and then you take a corner or an uneven driveway, you get like this quick kind of scrape noise in the rear. It's really common for the BMW F30. I'll show you exactly what the problem is and how we're gonna fix it. The front of the car, you have the drive shaft that comes back to the differential. The drive shaft is spinning when you're driving the car. And you have these parking brake cables on each side, here and here. And the parking brake cables run just above the drive shaft, and it's held in by these clips right there. And that clip looks fine. The clip on this side is broken, and the parking brake cable comes down, and as you turn the car, the body flexes, this comes down, makes contact with the drive shaft, and that's going to be the noise. So what we have to do is replace that clip. Before we get too far in this video, please consider subscribing. This is the only time I'll ask you, and hit a thumbs up. Thanks. Here's the new clip and the part number if you wanted to pause the video to get that. And here it is out of the bag. You can see both clips are intact. The best way I have found to do this is to lower the exhaust using a pole jack. Then that gives us room to get the heat shield out of the way. We'll need to be able to get onto the nut for the clip and lower the fuel tank. After that, I can take that clip and slide it right out. With the exhaust down and the heat shield out of the way, you can see what's going on here. It's just... And actually, if you look at the drive shaft, you can see this ring right here, and that's where it's been rubbing on this. I use a pick to get these clips loose, and if it breaks, that's okay. It's getting replaced anyway. And here I'm using a ratcheting 10mm wrench. It's a flex head, so it gives me a little bit more room to get it out. And once you get it loose, it really is pretty easy from there. All right, we need to loosen up the fuel tank straps. We're gonna take this 13mm out, and then we're gonna do the same thing to this side, which is right up there. Right up here. Or you can see it way up there. And then we're gonna support the fuel tank, and we're gonna just let it hang a little bit. The clip is attached to the fuel tank, so you have to lower it to get it away from the stud, and then you can slide it out. This gives you a better idea of what I'm working with. You see the stud is part of the body, so we had to lower the fuel tank, and it gets really close to this drive shaft. Getting the old one out is not a big deal, because if you break the old one, no big deal. The new one's going in. And so these clips slide into the housing of the plastic fuel tank. Then once it's slid in, it now has to go up through the stud. And now it's just a matter of getting the nut back on it and putting everything back together. If you want to check to see if that part fits your car, go to realoem.com. You can type in the part number that's in this video and do a search, and it'll show you all the vehicles that fits that clip, or all the vehicles that have that clip in it. You know what I mean. Anyways, if there's anything that you guys would like to learn about BMW, please let me know.